Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a clean with me video. So this is my first time doing it and I was really excited to do it. And the reason I wanted to do this video was because I'm a lot of anxiety and sadness and anger and fear surrounding the murder of George Floyd. And I know that a lot of other people are going through the same emotions. So I know that clean with me videos are very therapeutic and can help people through anxiety. So this is why I want to do this video first before I put out any other video. And that's why I haven't been posting on my channel for about 2 or 3 weeks. Before we get into this video, there are some things that I want to talk about and some things that you can do to help the movement. So the first thing you can do is protest. But when you're out protesting, please be safe. Not everybody in those crowds are on your side. There are some very evil people in this world, as you can see, that will harm you and hurt you. So please be safe and please be aware of your surroundings. What you can do is donate, but I know because of coronavirus, not everybody is able to donate right now. So if you can donate, please donate. Very important thing you'll be doing during this time is educating yourself. Educate yourself on your history, on politics, on different laws that's out, because there's some very crazy laws out there. And also you need to know what laws need to be put in place that is going to serve and protect you. And also you can just educate yourself on how to start petitions to get those laws put into place. The thing you can do, and it's something I've been doing a lot, is signing petitions. There are a lot of petitions out there, but please do your research, because everything that sounds good isn't good, and there's some like little details in there that might not affect you very well. So please do your research and know what you're signing. And the most important thing we can be doing going forward is voting. Please go out and vote. Yes, you should be voting for presidents, but also vote for your judges. Vote on laws, senators, on governors, representatives. Time that you can vote, please go out and vote. It is important that we have people in office that is going to represent us. We could obviously see what happens when the wrong people are in office. So let's just get into this video, and thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and please go out and vote. This is the most important thing I can tell you right now. Please exercise your right to vote, and we're just gonna get right into this video.